Hey, buddy, I want to talk about vacation rentals that already have proven cash flow because I have not found anything that can provide cash flow profits, tax advantages, appreciation, and even loan pay down like these can. You look at the stock market, it's as uncertain as I've ever seen it in over 30 years. And inflation is off the charts. I think what they actually are saying is way under what it actually is. Well, vacation rentals with great cash flow, we've got a program that we're putting together that allows passive investors who would love to be in real estate and take advantage of what's going on in real estate, but do not want to get stuck with all the headaches and all the legwork required to just find the property, number one, but then to go into the financing and acquisition and then automating it. It's a lot of work, but they don't want to do that, but they'd love to share in the profits. We have an opportunity that we're putting together for passive investors. They split 50% of all the net profits, all the cash flow, all the depreciation, all appreciation, all amortization, all the net profits are split by the passive investors, 50%. Also, and this is huge, when it makes financial sense, probably around 4 to 6 years, if they keep jacking inflation, it could be a lot sooner, but typically in 4 to 6 years, we refi out the original investment, hand it back to the investor. However, we retain the asset and the investor retains their position. That's called an infinite return strategy. And it is what is super unique to real estate because you can actually pull your money completely out and go put it somewhere else, but continue to receive cash flow profits, depreciation, amortization, and appreciation as long as the property is held, which we're buying trophy properties in this program. So we're buying them to hold for as long as it financially makes sense, which could be forever, but forever is a long time. But bottom line is, even if the property is liquidated down the road, the passive investors still maintain their position and receive any and all appreciation due to them based on their position in the property. So I've been in the market forever, and since COVID, I've been looking much harder at real estate because it just makes sense from every standpoint, especially the fact that inflation is off the charts and this is tangible. So anyway, this makes sense to you, reach out and we'll discuss whether or not this makes any sort of sense in your situation.